I've been using the Gopuff Driver app for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a worthwhile gig in 2025. Gopuff's model is unique among delivery platforms. It operates through centralized micro-fulfillment centers, meaning drivers pick up pre-packaged orders from a single location instead of bouncing between restaurants or stores. This setup simplifies the delivery process and can save time and fuel. The app itself is clean and functional, with features like real-time order notifications, earnings tracking, and the ability to cash out instantly. Drivers can reserve shifts in advance or work on demand, and they keep 100% of their tips. In some markets, there's even a guaranteed minimum hourly rate, which adds a layer of income stability. However, there are notable downsides. Many drivers report that base pay is low, sometimes just $3 to $4 per delivery, and without tips, earnings can fall below minimum wage after accounting for gas and vehicle wear. The app has also faced criticism for technical glitches, such as delayed or missed order notifications, which can negatively impact driver ratings and access to future shifts. Additionally, the volume of available orders can be inconsistent, leading to periods of idling without compensation. Customer support is another pain point, with some drivers experiencing slow response times when issues arise. Overall, the Gopuff Driver app offers a streamlined delivery experience with the potential for decent earnings, especially during peak hours or with generous tipping customers. However, the low base pay and app reliability issues mean it's best suited as a supplementary income source rather than a primary job. If you found this review helpful, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.